Reverse. This is the last video in our wooden dummy training tutorials in our second volume, and this video is similar to a video we had called Create a Loop. What we did in Create a Loop is we had a pattern, and what we did with that pattern is we did it back to back. Right side, left side, right side, left side. That gave us an opportunity to develop some attributes while we muscle memory the actions of the flow. This video, put it in reverse, we're going to do something similar. We're going to take a pattern, and instead of going from right to left, we'll go from start to finish and then back from finish to start, putting the techniques in reverse. And again, you'll discover that your hand positioning and your body position might have to be adjusted when you put the techniques in an order that's different from start to finish. So what I'm going to do is I'll use the same pattern, one of the same patterns I did in Create a Loop to show you how we put it in reverse. Okay, if you remember in Create a Loop, we had a pattern, I believe it was seven techniques long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now putting it in reverse, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'll do another pattern for you that will involve a little bit more footwork and body mechanics. I'm taking the middle arm out because I'm going to use a boxing weaving motion, and I don't want to hit my head on the arm. So let me show you how this one works. This one might also be 6 or 7 techniques long. I'm going to slide in. That would be 1, weave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now in reverse. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In reverse. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I want to thank everyone for watching our wooden dummy training tutorials. I'm excited about filming our third volume and our fourth volume. The third volume, we're going to concentrate on the techniques that I teach in the arts that I express myself in. And in the fourth volume, we're going to do a lot of weaponry on the wooden dummy from the Filipino martial arts. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.